From intricate dance moves to electric pulses, animals have developed fascinating ways to talk to each other. But how do they communicate so effectively without words? Let's find out. Welcome to the incredible world of animal communication. We humans rely on words, gestures, and even emojis to connect, but animals have an entirely different playbook. Today, we'll explore how animals use everything from smells to light flashes to share messages, warn about danger, and even find love. Let's start with chemical signals. Imagine if your sense of smell was your main form of communication. That's exactly how many animals, like ants, operate. Ants use pheromones to create trails leading to food. Each scent carries a specific meaning. This one says, "Food ahead," while another might mean, "Danger, turn back." It's a language invisible to us but crystal clear to them. And it's not just ants. Big cats like lions and tigers mark their territory with strong-smelling urine to send a clear message. This is my space. Stay away. Even plants use chemical signals to warn each other about predators. Next up, visual communication. Bees are world-class performers. When a bee finds a flower brimming with nectar, it doesn't keep it a secret. Instead, it performs a waggle dance to share directions with the hive. The angle of the dance tells the direction of the flower relative to the sun, and the number of waggles shows how far it is. It's like a GPS, but way cooler. But bees aren't the only visual communicators. Peacocks use their dazzling tail feathers to attract mates. The bigger and brighter the tail, the more attractive the peacock. It's like saying, "Look at me, I'm the best." And let's not forget chameleons. They use color changes not just for camouflage, but also to signal their mood. Darker colors might mean stress or aggression, while lighter shades indicate relaxation. It's like wearing your feelings on your skin. If you're enjoying this journey into the fascinating world of animal communication, don't forget to comment below by hitting that like button, subscribing to our channel, and sharing this video with friends. You're not just helping us. You're joining a mission to spread knowledge far and wide. Now, let's tune into the soundscape of the animal kingdom. Birds, for example, sing to claim territory or attract a mate. Each bird species has a unique song, almost like their personal anthem. Some birds even mimic other sounds to confuse predators or impress their peers. Wolves, on the other hand, use howls to communicate with their pack. It's a way to say, "I'm here," or rally the group for a hunt. And dolphins, these ocean geniuses, use signature whistles as their names. Imagine having your name be a whistle that your friends recognize anywhere in the ocean. Now that's personalized communication. Touch is another powerful way animals communicate. Elephants, for example, use their trunks to reassure, comfort, and even greet each other. It's like a handshake, hug, and a kiss all rolled into one. And monkeys? Grooming isn't just about hygiene. It's about building trust and social bonds. A little grooming goes a long way in keeping the peace. Ever heard of communication through vibrations? Spiders can detect the slightest tremor in their web to know if it's a meal or a mate. It's like reading a text message made of silk. Elephants, too, use vibrations to communicate over long distances. They stomp their feet to send seismic signals that can be felt miles away, like saying, "Danger ahead," or "Come this way." Imagine if you could talk using lights. That's exactly what fireflies do. They flash their lights in specific patterns to attract mates. Each species has its own unique light code, like Morse code, but much prettier. In the deep ocean, bioluminescent creatures use light to lure prey or confuse predators. In a world with no sunlight, glowing signals are a lifeline. Finally, we have electric communication. Electric eels and certain fish use electric pulses to navigate, find food, and even identify one another. It's like using Wi-Fi in the water. These pulses can also signal aggression or courtship. It's an electrifying way to keep in touch. From chemical trails to electric zaps, animals have developed incredible ways to connect and survive. Their methods remind us that communication is about so much more than words. It's about understanding and connection. So the next time you hear a bird sing or see a firefly blink, remember, you're witnessing a fascinating conversation in nature's universal language. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. See you next time.